No.
See how sloppy our handwriting is.
Yeah, I'll compare it to yours and I'll feel better about it.
Do you have Sophia's?
She's still writing on it.
Oh, good.
At least it looks like she is.
Yeah, I have one.
That's fun. You should sign my unit circle. Make it official.
Okay. Good old memories.
Yes. I was thinking of laminate the other one and hang it up. Be like a souvenir, you know?
Okay.
Here,
you want
this is spot color.
Alright.
I like mine too, please.
So dumb.
You should really put like everything's gonna be okay on it too.
Should I?
Sign it. You could,
You're
you could put it
okay?
right
Everything
there.
is okay? Fine.
You did that. I think Jackson needs that.
it's gonna be horrible, so.
Hi. You want laminated?
Yeah, but it could have been like folded when you got it.
Wait.
Okay. All right, so I think we're all done. So now let's do example 4, last example we're doing, and then I'll give you some time to work, and that's it. All right, so write well, we've got good copies of mine in case we need them. All right, write the sine of 2 theta minus the sine of 4 theta as a product. Anyone feel like they're not going to understand which formula to use? I'm hoping that it's pretty obvious to you that this is a sum. Why am I calling mine, like subtracting a sum? Why am I, because I'm quirky, that's it. Why am I calling subtracting something a sum? Because sum is usually for addition, right?
Yeah, but you can also add a negative.
Right, add a negative is the same thing. Okay, and as a product, so it's going from a sum to a product. So I'm using the sum to the product rules. And my sum to product rules, I've got sine plus sine, sine minus sine, cosine plus cosine, cosine minus cosine. So it looks like I'm using, oh, this should be 4 theta, not 40. All right, so I'm going to write down the formula right now. It's number 2. It's the second one, that's sine minus sine. So this is 2 cosine A plus B divided by 2, and then sine of A minus B divided by 2. Does it matter which one's A and which one's B in this case?
Oh, yes, it does. Because one is subtraction.
Yes, if there was an addition, it wouldn't matter. Call them either one you want, but in this case, A is the first one, B is the second one. All right, so we're going to do this together. 2 cosine A is 2 theta and B is 4 theta, and we're going to divide by 2. Then we've got sine, and this one is 2 theta minus 4 theta divided by 2. Two theta plus 4 theta is what? 6 theta. What's 6 theta divided by 2? 3 theta. So cosine of 3 theta. Sine of 2 theta minus 4 theta is negative 2 theta divided by 2. Negative 1 theta. Ooh, I don't like that there's a sign of a negative theta though. Yeah, do you remember that here? This one on the top right, the sine of negative theta equals negative sine of theta. That just puts a negative up front. Final answer is negative 2 cosine of 3 theta sine of theta. And that's it. Remember how yesterday you had to do 4 problems? Today you have to do 6. You've got 45 minutes. And I could have said anything. I could have been like, you're doing half a problem. Tanner would be like, oh, no, oh. Yeah. Tanner, in case you're wondering how Tanner's feeling today, Tanner changed into slippers halfway through school today, all right? What?
He swayed or changed slipper to slipper.
Slipper to slipper?
Yeah.
Okay, some slippers are not as comfortable as other slippers, important. Okay, so here is your whole assignment. It is going to be page, and when I say whole assignment, I mean I'm including the stuff from yesterday, okay? Page 693, numbers 11 and 12, 37, 39, 43, 45, 55, 56, 79, 89, and I believe that, was it those ones? Were the ones you already had?
It was
51, 49,
49.
Remember you lost your post-it note and some.
51 and 49?
Yeah, it was 11, 12, 49.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Okay, so ignore these. 51, 59.
49.
Ugh. 49 and 51. Better? Deepest apologies. I will change it in my notes, which I actually do have today. Oh, I did find those notes. You know where they were? On my Math 9 book, on the page that I was in that lesson. So that makes total sense. Math 9. Because that's where I was when I wrote those problems. When I was like, I want this problem. Then left them in that book. Okay. 79 and 89. I want to talk about those real quick. You're back already?
It needs more of those.
This stuff?
Yeah,
How many did you get done?
like 4.
Okay, well, I'll have to ask Mrs. Manley tomorrow. I don't know how to put it in.
Okay.
So cut them for right now, bring everybody else's back. Okay, so I want to talk quickly about 79 and 89. 79 and 89 are proofs. Let's look at 79 quick. How do you simplify the left-hand side?
I just made it sine squared plus cosine.
How dare you, Kyle?
Why?
No, because sine squared plus cosine squared is not 1, but also it's not, I mean, it is 1, but it is not sine squared plus cosine squared. This is a box, or foiling, you guys. You're killing me. And we're like, so many times I've been like, this is the biggest mistake that everybody always makes in this class, and you guys are like, got it. I'm going to do it, for sure. This is sine x plus cosine x times sine x plus cosine x. So make sure you do a box or foil that one, okay? On this side, you know how you have a formula for sine of 2x? The double angle formulas? If you plug that in, things will clear up real fast. Okay? Because that was the one that says this. Remember, double angle formulas are the sine of 2a equals 2 sine a cosine a. Okay? Things will clear up real fast when you start doing that. Okay, so Crystal, why don't you give the ones to me that are not laminated and I'll hand them back. And we'll do the rest tomorrow, and I want you to cut the ones that are done. Yeah?
Like, I was doing it and almost got through it, and then it ran out, and now it doesn't move.
Oh, so 2 are stuck in there?
Yes.
That's fun.
Turn to the back.
What?
Turn to the back.
Yeah.
The one was yours.
Does that mean the white one's mine?